So, good morning, students. My name is Abhishek. In this session, we are going to discuss the second part of the topic grouping and team formation. In the first part, we have done four sets based on the formation of teams. So we have done some question based on team formation, and in this session, we are going to discuss the questions based on the grouping, right? So like we have done 12 questions, and in this session we are going to do three more sets. So friends, coming to the set, like the set is like okay. So the question is, the creator of the pitch at Forjisa Kotla ground in Delhi was in dilemma. He was to relay the pitch within next 6 days starting Monday before the test match. There are three activities in preparing a pitch: filling, rolling, and watering. Further, the conditions are as follow. So friends, the very first thing we have to take from the tabular sitting arrangement, like the thing we have learned over there, that whenever in the question you are given with the name of days, so you have to write the name of days serially in a column, right? And that column will be called as master column. So just make a master column and write the name of the days. So here we can write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So three activities in preparing a pitch are filling, rolling, and watering. So we can write as the name of the activities as filling, rolling, and watering, right? Thereafter he's saying that the statement number one, he would like each of these activities to be done twice during the next 6 days, right? That means filling will be done 2 times, rolling will be done 2 times, as watering also. Each activity will require one expert to be involved. Pitch filling has to be the first activity and will be definitely done on Monday. That means the first filling will be definitely done on Monday. This is very clear. Thereafter, he's saying the third statement, except for filling, no other activity can be done for 2 consecutive days. That means there is a possibility that filling can be done on 2 consecutive days, right? There is one possibility. So I am taking the case of possibility that filling can be done on 2 consecutive days, right? Okay. Thereafter, he is saying that rolling cannot be done unless both the filling activities are completed. So friends, here both the filling activities have been completed. Now this time rolling can happen. So I can write rolling here, right? And he is saying that except for filling, no other activity can be done for 2 consecutive days. That means this time rolling is happened. So after rolling, other rolling will not happen. Watering will happen. So after watering, definitely rolling will happen, and after rolling, watering will happen. So this can be the one case, right? Where we have taken this concept, like except for filling, no other activity can be done for 2 consecutive days. Here I have taken the activity filling uh, for 2 consecutive days, right? Okay. uh, if I take one more case, like the case is let me take the copy and paste of this, right? Okay, let me take one more activity case if it can happen. Okay, let me take one more thing, like pitch filling has to be the first activity and will be definitely done on Monday. So on Monday I have marked, right? And in this also we have marked Monday. He's saying that except for filling, no other activity can be done for 2 consecutive days. That means filling can be done on 2 consecutive days, it has happened, right? But what are the other cases? He's saying that rolling cannot be done unless both the filling activities are completed, right? So what I do, that this is for filling, this is for rolling, this is for watering, right? What I do, I do watering here, right? Because he is saying that rolling cannot be done unless both the filling activities are completed. That means okay, take this like after suppose first filling is on Monday, second filling can be done on Tuesday, right? Watering can be done on Wednesday. Then rolling can be done on Thursday. Thereafter watering can be done on Friday, and thereafter rolling on Saturday. If I read all these statements, if we go through the second statement, that is your pitch filling has to be the first activity, and it will be definitely done on Monday. So in the first diagram and second diagram, pitch filling has to be the first activity and definitely done on Monday. So in the third diagram also, I am making the first activity. Thereafter he is saying that except for filling, no other activity can be done for 2 consecutive days. Okay, so in my first arrangement, pitch filling is the consecutive activity, and in the second statement also, second arrangement also, pitch filling is the consecutive activity. Thereafter he is saying that rolling cannot be done unless both the filling activities are completed. So once filling has happened, then rolling can happen, but it is not definitely done. It is not definitely given that after both the filling, rolling will be happened. So what I can do, I can take the third diagram like this. Pitch filling has to be the first activity. Rolling cannot be done unless both the filling activities are completed, but watering can be done, right? After this, I can take pitch filling has to be the first activity. Thereafter I take the rolling is to be done the next activity. Thereafter I can take the watering as the next activity, and thereafter I can take this rolling is to be the next activity, right? Okay, if we check the diagram and the available questions, first of all, this last statement is left. Okay, so the statement is there are four people P, Q, R and S to do this task, who are the expert in certain areas only, while P is an expert for both filling and rolling. So I can write here like P is an expert for both filling and rolling. So filling and rolling. Thereafter Q is an expert for watering and rolling. So Q is an expert for watering and rolling. Out of the remaining two, R is an expert for watering only. So R is an expert for watering only, and S is an expert for filling only. So X is for filling only. Okay. If we check the available option, like question number 13, identify the earliest day on which the first rolling can happen. So first rolling will be definitely happen on Wednesday. So answer will be B, Wednesday, right? If we check the next question, question number 14, if R works on Tuesday, which expert will work on Thursday? So R, we are writing that R on or Tuesday. So you can see that R is in spot for watering, and watering on Tuesday is happening in the third diagram. So R will be this, right? If the question is like if R works on Tuesday, then which expert will work on Thursday? So if in this diagram we check for Thursday, to Thursday rolling is happening, and if we check for rolling, rolling there are two people P and Q. So P or Q, P or Q, any one of this can do. So answer will be cannot be determined, right? Okay, so next question number 15, if P works on second day and R works on Thursday, So we can check like P works on second day and R works on Thursday. So in which diagram it is happening? P works on second day and R works on Thursday. In this diagram, this is happening. Okay. So the question is P works on second day and R works on Thursday. Which activity will be done on Wednesday? So if we check on Wednesday, Wednesday rolling is happening. So our answer will be rolling. Option number C. Right. Okay, so our next question is question number 16. Like the question is if each activity is scheduled for exactly 2 days of a week, in how many ways can the activity be scheduled? So if we check the available diagram, like each activity is scheduled 2 days in a week, filling, rolling and watering, and 6 days. And in how many ways the activity be scheduled? The activity can be scheduled in 3 ways. So answer will be 3. We can check option number B is the available option number 3, right? Okay, so next question is question number direction 17 to 20. The question is Tiger Woods, the champion golfer, was preparing his return to full-time competitive golfing. His trainer has arranged for him to practice 6 aspects of his game to be practiced on each day of 3 consecutive days: Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, friends, we can write the name of the days like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, right? Thereafter, the aspects were swing, stance, put, plan, push, drive. Further, the conditions are as follow. Okay, he is saying that there will be 2 activities practice each day, one on morning and other on afternoon. So I am writing morning diagram here and afternoon part here. Okay. Second statement is if swing is practiced in morning on a day, then put cannot be practiced the following day. That means if put is practice on Wednesday morning, then put will not be done on Thursday. Okay. Thereafter, plan has to be practiced in the afternoon but Thursday. So this is fixed. Like plan has to be practiced in afternoon but Thursday. Okay. Stance has to be practiced in the afternoon, but which afternoon, this is not clear. Drive on Friday morning. So drive on Friday morning, that means this is also clear that these two things are fixed. Okay, coming to the question number 17 is if swing is practiced on Wednesday and put on Thursday. Okay, so this thing that means swing cannot be on Wednesday morning, because in the second statement it is very clearly written that if swing is practiced in the morning a day, put cannot be practiced on the following day. That means swing will be practiced here, right? And if we check in the question, if swing is practiced on Wednesday and put on Thursday, that means put here. Then the 3 aspects practice in the morning are okay. If we check the last option, last arrangement, last statement, the statement is stand has to be practiced in the afternoon. So the afternoon place left is only this, and the only one activity that is left is push. So the answer of this question, like the 3 aspect practice in the morning, are push, put, and drive. So answer will be B, right? So I guess the question is clear to you all. In this question, two things are fixed, like plan is fixed and drive is fixed, right? If we check the available option, the next question, like the question is, I just make a copy of this and paste to the another question. Question number 18. Okay, this question is from the same set, 17 to 20. This question is from the same set, and this question is also from the same set. This is from the different set. Okay, coming to this slide again. Like from the last question, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, right? These 3 days were there, and the things that was fixed was plan and drive. So plan was on Thursday afternoon, and drive was on Friday morning. So these two things were fixed. If we check, like here also plan and drive are fixed. Okay, this was for morning shift and this was for afternoon shift. In all the questions where I have copied and pasted, I can write the same plan drive, right? So plan here and drive here. Thereafter plan here and drive here. Okay, so coming to the question, like question is question number 18. If stance is practiced on Friday, so stance is the activity that is done on the afternoon. So afternoon is the case of here, afternoon here and morning here. He is saying that stance is practiced on Friday. That means stance will be done here. And then they expect practice on Wednesday morning. So friends, Wednesday morning, if we check Wednesday morning, here swing cannot happen. Okay, swing can also be happen, because if swing is here, then put can be here, because he is saying that following day cannot be done on following day, but can be done on same day. Wednesday morning he is asking, put can be there, because swing Wednesday afternoon and put Wednesday morning can be there. Push can also be there. Plan cannot be there. Answer of this question will be cannot be determined. Right? Coming to the next question, question number 19. The question is if put is practiced on Friday. Okay. So for Friday, only one place is left. Put here. In how many ways can the practice be scheduled? Okay. So stance will be here. Right? Uh, Available options like stance cannot be stance will be definitely here, and push will be definitely here. So the activities can be scheduled only in one way, right? So friends, this was our question number 20, right? There is one more set we have that we have discussed in the starting of the video, right? Third set. I want that you people just try this question one time, if you people are able to do, and if there will be some problem in the question, then we will discuss in the next class, right? Okay, so thank you so much. This was all about the topic grouping and team formation. I expect that the question that I gave you 21 to 24, I want the positive response from your side, right? Okay, thank you.